The ultimate cosmetic beauty experience is now made possible at home. Through the power of light with myLEDmask. Photobiomodulation using LEDs is a new technology that is non-thermal, non-invasive, pain-free, UV-free, and has no side effects. Suitable for all skin types, it is used to stimulate biological processes of cellular repair and regeneration, to reduce or erase damages caused by the passage of time. myLEDmask comes complete in a protective box with a thermofoamed foam interior. Inside the box, you'll find an adjustable head strap, a charger with cable, 4 main adapters for all geographic zones, and a user manual. Make sure the mask is properly charged. Charging time 3.5 hours. Then remove the power cord and let the mask sit for an hour before use. Turn your mask on. Using the control buttons, choose your photo type. The program length adjusts automatically. Position the mask on your face and adjust the strap. If possible, position yourself in a semi-reclining position to relax. Start the session. And fully benefit from the experience. Use on face and neck. Your mask shuts off automatically once your session is over. You may also shut it off at any time using the Start-Stop button. For a complete treatment cycle, it is best to perform 3 to 4 sessions per week, spaced 48 hours apart. Use for a period of 6 to 8 weeks max. Between each cycle, suspend the treatment for 1 month as a rest period. After 1 month, your skin looks 3 years younger. The skin is firmer, more radiant. Wrinkles are twice less visible.